is spirit. Anything connected with the spirit is called spirituality. And what is spirit? The spirit because of which now the words are coming. The spirit because of which all activities are taking place in an individual. Anything can, that's called Atman, that's called the core of the being. So, instead of Atma Vichar, it is in English it is said as spirituality. That is why, what is spirituality? There is a beautiful talk by Papa. There he says, unless and until you try to know what is the spirit behind it. So far we have been trying to connect so many things outside, even a knowledge of something, okay, that is also okay. But real spirituality we have been asked to go deep within. How now the words are coming, the hands are moving. How do we know that we are there now? That power, that is called spirit. And anything connected with the spirit, where creativity comes, humaneness comes, sharing comes, values come, anything connected with that, it's all coming under the category of spirituality. So, because it is highly subjective, probably initially they will say wisdom, character, values. Just like that they make us to initiate a process. But ultimately we should know that which makes the heart to beat, that which makes the hair to grow, that which makes us to breathe, that which makes us to think, that which makes us to eat, that which makes us to hear, that which makes us to see. That power. That is called the power of the spirit. And anything connected with the spirit is called spirituality. So that is why it is said spirituality is not divorced from worldly life. Because I should be there, first of all. Whether I am leading a family life or a professional life or a social life, whether I am educated or uneducated, whether I am a boy or a girl, whether I come from a rural area or a metro area, whether I can handle gadgets, whether I have zero knowledge of gadgets, still this power is within us. That power, we are in search of that power. It's not correct to say that word, search of. We are trying to become aware of that power. So today, since yesterday, Papa has been trying us to drive us towards that. Become aware of that power, that's all. What did he use the word? Become aware of? In quest of God, first...
Mysterious power. Mysterious.
That is right, first word. Become aware of his?
Mysterious power.
Infinite love.
Infinite love.
Swamiji,
Become aware of his infinite love.
yesterday not half an hour, 3 hours itself is infinite love.
Only Karthik Uncle.
Every time we think about that, infinite love. We are, our effort by the word spirituality, we are trying to become aware of the infinite love. These words will definitely help us. Anything that we are coming in contact with, we should be able to admit, oh, what a thing you have brought about. That is the first line, It was about 2 years ago that Ram first kindled in the heart of his humble slave Ramdas a keen desire to realize his infinite love. We try to realize that infinite love that is in quest of God. Rest of the thing, let us see whether the intellect is taking us away from it. Intellect has got a knack of taking us away from it. Theoretical, no? Intellectual. It has some purpose, no doubt. We are not ruling it out. But we find now it has not helped us to know about the spirit inside. So yesterday he demonstrated us that When you say mental chanting, previously we were thinking it is not possible to have this mental chanting for a little more longer time. Probably for 5 minutes, okay. 5 minutes itself is a long one. But yesterday he made us, in our own way. No other thoughts, no other discussion. We ourselves don't know that we were in that. Silently, without any instructions, everything goes on perfectly. Just to see, remember yesterday's incident itself. That gives us the assurance that it is possible for us to do it. The peace within us is yesterday touched and kindled. The fullness in us was touched and kindled. We may not be able to explain what it is. Otherwise, we would not have been able to sit here for such a long time. Because nobody imposed, nobody said you should sit. He gave the prompting, he facilitated everything. And he made us to sustain that tempo. Wonderful demonstration yesterday. Something for the first time in the ashram. Such type of Ramnam chanting was first time. This New Year, I think for the past 25, 30 years we have been associating with it. Minimum 25 years. 25, 26 years, yes. Enthusiastically everybody used to participate. But never was it done in the manner in which it was done yesterday. For such a long time. So when we were sitting here, we were thinking, yes, you made us to think on those lines only at about 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock. And in such a short time, after 4 hours, you made us to sit and see for ourselves whether the body, mind, intellect agrees with that, goes along with that, involves in that, subjects itself to that.
Swamiji, yesterday Papa was leading the Ramnam.
Yes.
Because of that,
inside. If we think that the Papa's box that was responsible, again we are hanging upon something external. Initially we knew. Then later on everybody was standing silently. So we have to remove all the external props. It won't go, it may not be possible. We will gradually remove all and then go to him. That word, switch on your wire for direct communication. Why do you deny him in your heart? Suppose you keep on reminding, why should I deny him? When he is there, why should I seek anything outside? So we keep on hammering. You are there, I am not aware, make me aware. This is what every day we are telling here, now in here. No? This is all that we ask of thee. Yeah. When we utter that adorable presence, a little more closer to the theme, when we say eye of the eye, it is not merely a repetition of the word. Connecting himself with this. That word is beautiful, adorable presence. Sannidhyam. Because why adorable? You are a personification of infinite love. So adorable presence, thou who art within and without, above and below and all around. Thou who art interpenetrating the very cells of our being. Thou who art the eye of our eye, ear of our ears, heart of our hearts, mind of our mind, self of our selves,
Life of our lives.
life of our lives.
And the soul of our soul.
So then we try to catch, the life of our lives. The second life is our date of birth to date of death. The first life is the life force, the life of our lives. Eye of our eye. The second eye is the physical eye. The one which makes us to see, that is the eye of our eye. Ear of our ears. Like that, we try to understand the spirit behind all these. Make me aware of this presence now and here. So we are slowly trying to remove all the external props. Then we start thinking, what is it that makes me to think? What is it that makes me to see? Normally I am carried away by what is seen, what is heard, what is tasted, what is touched, what is smelt, what is thought of. But I hardly think about the power behind it,
How is never thought about?
Eh?
How it was never thought about.
We have to go within, Again we are asking for an answer from outside.
We never thought about how all is happening.
We never thought. Probably our mind has not matured enough to ask even that question. Somebody said, you repeat. Adorable. Peace prayer. Yes, peace prayer. Adorable presence. Thou who art. Never we thought. Mataji brought it out so that one day you will start asking.
Because of the me,
Huh?
because of me feeling this.
That is okay. But we should know. Now we have started going through it. No. If it was not started at all, we would not have gone through at all. Okay, repetitive and parrot-like repetition. Okay, going on. We can learn it by heart, everything, But nowadays every word becomes very, 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 very powerful. That is enough for me. I don't have to read anything else. If I go along with that, that will take me to Him. Like that we will know. Not that the entire organs are to be thought of. One is enough.
Swamiji, over instrument and the infinite love and the initiation and the God within the
Infinite love
infinite love, expansion and the initiation.
Infinite love is another way. Our Tantapayana infinite love. He has given us an eye. He has given us the power to see through the eye. That is infinite love. He has given us ears. He has given us the power to hear.
The free expansion,
Try it. At least we have reached some stage now, So,
initiation Ram first and touch is getting from the Ram.
அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டா I am not joking. அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டா அது ஒரு சின்ன கைடன்ஸ் மட்டும் தான். Leave everything. He did not look about somebody, no. He was relying solely on him and he was guided by certain type of experience. We have to solely depend upon him and rely on the experience he makes us to pass through. He was very particular, especially in the book Talks of Ramdas, he mentioned this. We have to make the initiative. Don't refer to any books. And we find certain things. Whether it is an illusion or whether it is an actual experience, then you can check it with the papas. So first we have to go through that experience. In fact, if we think it is only a play of the mind, then you check out or you ask. First we have to do in our own way, no? We cannot follow anybody. That is the first fundamental thing we have to learn. We cannot follow. Each one has to chalk out, draw a line for ourselves. Because if the other one was possible, out of this, 90 years of ashram's existence, anybody who came here must have realized, because all facilities are available. Same methodology, same term. You just imagine a college or a school, the same teacher, same text, in the same class. Even nobody gets the same marks. Different. Same text, same curriculum, same syllabus, same method of teaching, same teacher. Because the degree of absorption, degree of assimilation differs. That means our equipment is different. Similarly, in spiritual matters also, there can't be any general prescription, which many of them say, but Papa emphatically says. The other day we were reading, from the book Sadhaka. However great he may be, if we try to follow, we act like a robot. He was blunt in telling. He says, you be in touch with saints, okay, draw inspiration from him, but you develop your own. Your own thinking.
Swamiji, that is why there are so many variations. No?
There
are so many people, so many variations. So many
He has so many approaches. No saint is as like any other saint. General idea, we should be very clear about the role of a guru. The role of a guru is to awaken us. Prior to coming in touch with our guru, we were not aware that God is within. No? We were looking for God, or we were developing some concept about God outside. Only after coming in touch with a guru, we came to know that God is within, Guru is within, God and Guru are within, all those things. So, Papa emphatically, that is the role of the Guru. Awakener. If that awakening has not come, we will not know at all. That is why we revere him. It was he who directed us to the source. We would have failed not to move forward, but he has directed us. If he has not directed us, we will not be sitting here at all. So this is very clear. Each one has to develop, chalk out, draw one's own methodology. And then tally the experience with the masters, with the Shastras. Oh, same thing, like that we will start. Every time this, and he will also make, we don't have to go in search of that Shastra. Out of his infinite love, he will make us to get in touch with such quotations, such wisdom teachings, to give an approval, stamp of approval to our method. Yes, you are on the right path. No, you should again refine yourself. That will not take you. Mysteriously this will come, 100% I tell you. Mysteriously that will come. But the effort is to know within, go within. Not banking upon anything outside. Because the moment we bank upon, it is not a crime. It is mind's tendency is to bank upon. But then we come to know that our self-effort is not there. what is inside us, which is unique, remains untouched, unexplored, then how can we have sustaining? Wherever we have dug and we have made it our own, it stays with us without our knowing. That is what he taught us whenever we deal with the factors outside. Automatic, everything comes automatic, You are not even aware, but become perfect. But in spiritual matters, we are looking up to somebody. He will do this, he will do that. If he touches, okay. If he shows, is like this. Your faith can take you to some extent, but not take to the core. This we are telling from the experience we are seeing, If you go through with the Divine Master, in one of the chapters, Shuddhanji has written about Papa's, I think probably once or twice only he expressed his unhappiness. Who wants
God realization.
God realization? Because they say everybody wants this and that. They come to ashram and ask for this and that. Who is asking for this? Mataji was giving us left and right, But even then we did not understand. We did not get offended, but we did not understand that it was their anxiety for us to go within and find out, to chalk out a method that is suitable for us. That also we did not know. But now slowly it is opening up. So far we have been trying to follow, to hear, to bank upon, to have a prop with us, and then it has not taken us to the goal. It has given us some benefit, no doubt, but not the real benefit of becoming aware of His infinite love. So let us be very clear about it and ask Him. Somebody was asking, how do I know what is my path? That also if you are asking others, you will never know our path. So we go back to our own life. What did we do? We practice something. Copy book, you remember? I don't know now copy book is there because of this digital era. Previously, copy book. Small letters, big letters. We have to write. We have to write. Tables, we have to write. We have to learn it by heart. Then there are lot of programs in the school, recital, essays, precis writing, so many things. And our extracurricular activities, sports, games, they were all giving us the opportunity to bring out the talent that is lying dormant in us. Our PT class, our exams, just look with that perspective. It was not for examination, it was not for PT class, it was not for grammar, it was not for recitation. By all these, the talent that is lying dormant, the capability, the faculty that is lying dormant is touched, rekindled and brought out. Even dramas,
Personality development.
personality, automatically, personality. The activity is lying dormant in us is touched, rekindled and brought about. Elocution competition. Mono act, dance, so many things. We have to remember, So everywhere now we find when we bring it out in our own way, it gave us joy to ourselves and we got a pat from others. But in spirituality, unknowingly we look up to somebody. Initially we have to look up to, how will we know? For example, Ramnam chanting. But yesterday, like that when we tried in our own way, it became possible for us to hold on for 3 hours. And it has left a sweet memory, no? Pleasant memory. And it gave us assurance that we can do it. No? Only by doing it we got that assurance. Not by talking, not by hearing. Only when we went through that yesterday we knew that, oh, it's possible. So let us all try to assimilate as much as possible, retain as much as possible and try to chalk out our own and somehow bring out this connectivity in as many activities in a day. Even if it is 1 or 2 or 3, doesn't matter. To begin with, yeah. And slowly we will define, no? The connectivity also we will define comprehensively, not just this particular. In our heart we will know, yeah. Even a joke we share, even an act of showing anger, even an act of everything we will try to connect up so that we will not have any prejudice, we will not have any biased attitude towards anybody. At that time he prompted, we don't know why. And we go and tell him we did not mean that. Like that, connectivity, slowly. We don't know why we were prompted. Previously we were owning that, then we were having the problem, the ego was there. Now slowly, we were not owning. Why did you make me to do that? We complained to him. And with that, what was the tangible gain? You made me miserable. You made the other person also miserable. At that time, you made us to think that I am right, you are wrong. And then the net result is, I am not comfortable, he is also not comfortable, or she is not also not comfortable. So like that, what had happened. So mentally we apologize. We touch their feet. All those things will slowly happen. Let us all try our level best during these 360 days now, no? 365 are over, yeah. And tomorrow at 10 o'clock, there will be a video for 10 minutes. And then every week we will have some clues given to us by Papa that may help us. We can't say that will, that may help us. And during the rest of the days, we have to do it by ourselves. Tomorrow anyway, tomorrow there won't be satsang.
10 o'clock.
Morning it will be there.
Video, they will put in YouTube.
Here, YouTube.
Not here. YouTube. Everybody is now equipped with the mobile, so they don't require anybody. Just open, it will be there. Hari Om. Om Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Om Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Om. Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Om Shri 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 Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Om Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.